What? Of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know what go. When I load up. Aim up. Crank up. Draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me one are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. You don't know it go. When concrete step a 10-star a step. Anyway, shaky. You know it a go break off. So watch out, nation people, make me step. You have this suck pussy boy. We name Sissy Q. Then feel like him can run up on the internet, run him out about Gaza Nation and vybz Kartel freedom. Run him out about how him want the G for take plea bargain because that's where that suck pussy boy they do, you know. Take plea bargain for come out of prison. We don't know who the pussy blow the whistle upon, as we say. We don't know who him point finger upon, is it? But guess what? The boy I run out on the YouTube and I talk about my subscriber them. And I talk about, me don't go talk about him and get views. Let me tell you this suck pussy Q. The toughest view you have at 30,000. I fly past them thing them, my brother. Go check my fucking channel. Cause it look like you not look good. You see what I say? Too much pussy juice in your eye. So you can't see good. Go check my channel pussy and watch my views them. You hear me? Me's not a man who run down YouTube like that. And what day I'm forward back. It's been a while. Like months upon top of months. No games thing not dead about it. No lollipop thing not into it. I mean not do clickbait. You hear that? Me step in a suck pussy boy face like you. You hear that? I make me tell you something. The reason why. You see, me I even do that video right now. I just make you see. Right around me surrounded. Because me hear you there around your mouth. And I talk off your mouth about how much man there around bare white people and Chinese people and all type of fucker and me not in the hood and me not this and me not that. Let me tell you that this me a concrete stepper as me say. So anywhere me step, it's shaky. It have to break off. But let me tell you something. Me dare you any money for forward out and show nobody which part you're there right now. Which part you're there in your local rock bad castle, in the local Matches back shop, and I run off your mouth. Yes, where I say, I bet you any money. You never do that. Eh? You will never ever do that. But yet still you're there. I run your mouth. But nation people, I go flip the script so this suck pussy boy can see which part me there. So when I'm ready, him send him friend them or him can turn up himself. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something, boy. You're there, I run off your mouth. Or something know, say, you watch my video and you rate me. Because guess what, I command you. I tell you about your big nasty self. And you church out Gansy them with the collar then church out where you love wear. And before you could have do the video about me, boy, you have to run and bathe and put on brand new marina. Oh, you mean? If you got blood clot talk about the general, the 10-star one, now that you have to do, boy. You have to run out brand new marina and go bathe to come discuss about the general, the 10-star one, which is right in everybody's eyesight. Look, boy, look, there are two first. You hear that? There are two first right now. On the block, stand up. You see what I say? Yeah, because I'm a concrete steppers. I'm say, you me dare you any money for come out and show me which part you there. I run off your look suck pussy mouth. You hear me? You run out, you can't do nothing. You come tell people about what you do. You help nobody? You tell people about your help. Who the fuck you help? Who the fuck you help? Tell what you do? What you do on the internet? What you do? You think what you run off your mouth and I chat about vybz kartel? Anybody can do that. Everybody will chat against vybz kartel and be views them get. So I don't know where the fuck you there chat about like you do something spectacular. Who the fuck you help? Go ask the whole of Trenchtown, Rima, you know how much youth. I go back to school with brand new bag, half of the behalf of FME and 10-star general boy. You think we look hype from people, I will beg hype. I tell you, I'm a concrete stepper boy. Why you think when I step in your suck pussy face, it hurt you so? You can't talk to me. You're mad. But you help. You help nobody. Where you chat for? When you did there in America, you know, I rap down the whole place. I suck pussy and I snap blood clot cocaine. You never remember the youth them at Jamaica say you can't help them, don't it? When you're in your high glory, no? And when you pass through prison system of America and prison system of Jamaica, I know you ready for help the youth them. What the fuck you learn in a prison or what the fuck you learn? Which institution you go learn so we can say you use a change man and you fit to express no type of bumbuckler thing to people. You can't talk to people all dirty thinking criminal. Who the fuck you think you talk to? Or the air boy and I say, I tell you already. I come on you. Every time I watch your video, my sister will let me come on you, boy. I make you have a beard and change your blood clot clothes. And guess what? You couldn't did wear no Ganzi because the neck them stretch out. You have to get a brand new marina for put on for address 10-star general. So no gimmicks thing that there in my game, no lollipop thing there in it. You see what I deal with? Yeah. You don't have nothing to talk about on social media. What do you hear the people them tell you about some social so for talk about the youth them in Jamaica, the betterment of certain stuff. And a be a buck shuffle, because that's not your thing. You see what I deal with? You can't even look at the camera when you chat. You have to turn your face sideways because you're guilty as fuck. A criminal style you use on the people them. Prison craft you use on the people them. You can't pass junglers with that. You hear me for sissy, you hear me shish kebab. You can't pass junglers with that. The moment junglers see you, them step in your face with that. You mean you run your mouth, but oh, it look like me can't take a good shot. Junglers not fight them with them, my brother. Junglers not fight a war them war, my brother. You hear that? So when you talk about your chucking business, it better you go look for some wrestling blood clot thing. Because no gimmicks thing around and a lollipop thing not around your shop. You hear that? So when you run off your suck pussy mouth in your local rat back castle shop and I go like, yeah, do something. Let me tell you something, boy. All know you not do nothing up on YouTube. You see me? I use YouTube, I use you because I use a newcomer, you know, monetize. A YouTuber make all the money off of your bossy slave. You hear that? Because them a push up your look up careless blood clot video them so it can run in the blood clot algorithm for couple of people can run views on it. Because them respond to that. So when you're there on YouTube around your mouth and feel like you're somebody, nasty boy query. You see me? Let me tell you something. You can't talk to no bumbuckler Gaza man about you. No gimmicks thing that there in my game, no lollipop thing there about it. Without vybz kartel, you wouldn't feel like nobody. And here you ball about me there America. So I'm for law you make you run your mouth because you want to look money because you're there at Jamaica. You never know say you want money when you wrap down the whole blood clot of America and a sniff blood clot coke and a suck pussy. Eh? You never know that. Eh? Let me tell you something. Anytime you run out and miss it, the general, the 10-star one, the concrete stepper, I go step in your suck pussy mouth. You hear that? You hear that sissy query? Or the general, the 10-star one, I represent. What? Yeah, man. Big up the whole of Rima, the whole of Rosestown, the whole of Federal, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Arnett Garden. The general, the 10-star one, I represent. Waterford. You know where the badness go. We touch the road. We clip them load. Watch.